data center market will be really heavily involved with rack density requirements, in particular how these are mechanically cooled.
Liquid cooling will be more predominant, and that the storage and strategies revolving around the technology will be crucial.
We're already finding that air-cooled chillers were on the limit of what they can deliver in terms of their cooling load versus the space available. So I think we're going to be switching back to water-cooled chillers.
We are now well beyond the 4, 6, 8 megawatt typical data hall skills. I think we're going to start seeing more like 25, 30, perhaps even 40, 50.
The extreme shift is totally 1 megawatt per rack and beyond than that, so it is high capacity rack densities. So it is all driven by AI and HPC. If data center are designed with advanced cooling, power density and with better sustainability.
The scale of the facilities that are being built are much larger than what we've ever encountered, and that's going to place much more stress on the grid. So I see the relationship between designers and grid operators increasing in complexity and actual time spent doing the design.
The biggest trend that I'm looking forward to seeing in 2026 is how the power distribution options evolve based on the ultra-high density rack deployment that we're likely to see up to 200 kilowatts and potentially beyond.
As utilities are not able to supply the power nowadays, they're all looking at new options for on-site generation.
I think we're going to see a lot more AI being moved from packaged equipment to be more centralised. And as that becomes more of a thing, that's going to then transfer to enable us to use more converged networking to build digital twins.
Some of the emerging trends that we are actively looking at in the BIM development team is obviously AI focused, more automation, building our own apps.
I think as data center world looks much more for sustainability, we're going to see more timber coming into the structures. It ticks the sustainability box. It's got a nice feel for it. We're going to concentrate on that so we can do some modular construction using timber.
Everything's up for grabs. So all the new technologies that we tried before, I think the customers and clients are far more willing now to take them on board and meet the demands of the increased power densities and increased cooling densities.